Right. In this class, we'll study about the general preparation methods of alkyl halides. We have so many preparation methods. Among those, we'll just concentrate the preparation methods what we have in our syllabus. Right. The first one is from alcohols. We all know that an alcohol will have a functional group OH, that is an alcohol. So from alcohols we have different methods in which alkyl halides can be prepared. One is Groves process. It is Groves process. So in Groves process, alcohols are treated with concentrated HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride. So in which the OH will be replaced by that chlorine atom, so that it becomes alkyl chloride plus H2O. OH and H eliminated in the form of water. That water is absorbed by this anhydrous zinc chloride. So this is a general reaction. It is very important to learn both general reaction and specific example. So in the examination, specifically they will ask whether to write general equation or they will ask any specific example. So you should concentrate on both examples and general equation also. So example, it is very easy. You write just in place of R, you write C2H5, and in place of X, we can write any halogen. Now as it is chlorine here, so C2H5OH plus HCl in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, C2H5Cl plus H2O. This is ethyl alcohol, ethyl chloride. So this is Groves process. In Groves process, alcohols are heated with a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride to give an alkyl chloride. This is example. And some again same alcohol by using another reagents like phosphorus halides. The phosphorus halides may be trihalide or they may be pentahalide. With trihalide, alcohols react with the phosphorus trihalide to give an alkyl halide. As a byproduct, we will get phosphorus acid. So ROH is general formula of alcohol. PX3 is general formula of phosphorus trihalide. In place of OH, we should write halogen 3RX plus H3P. Example. So as I said earlier, you just replace R with C2H5 or CH3. So C2H5 means ethyl alcohol. X replace with chlorine PCl3 gives rise to C2H5Cl plus H3PO3 ethyl chloride. So this is how alkyl halides are prepared from alcohols using phosphorus trihalide. Similarly, with phosphorus pentahalide, again we will get alkyl halide, but the byproducts are different. Here hydrogen halide and phosphorus oxytrichloride. So in place of R, C2H5, C2H5OH plus in place of halogen chlorine PCl5 gives rise to C2H5Cl plus HCl plus POCl3. So ethyl alcohol, ethyl chloride. So this is the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohols using phosphorus trihalide and phosphorus pentahalide. Again by using same alcohols, but the reagent is thionyl chloride. If you treat alcohol with thionyl chloride, that process is called D'Argens process. D'Argens process. So alcohol plus thionyl chloride SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine gives rise to, in place of OH you write Cl, C2H5Cl plus HCl plus SO2. Now this is very important preparation method of alkyl halides because the byproducts obtained here both are in gaseous state. Both are gases. So as these are two gases, the product obtained will be alkyl halide only. So this is more preferable preparation method compared to the previous preparation methods by using or Groves process or by using phosphorus trihalide and phosphorus pentahalide. So this is how the alkyl halides are prepared from alcohols. Then alkyl halides preparation from alkenes. This is a general alkene, a double bonded compound, plus when it is treated with hydrogen halide, HX. So just we know that unsaturated compounds undergo addition reaction. You just add hydrogen to one carbon, double bonded carbon, halogen to another double bonded carbon, so that it becomes alkyl halide. I will take a simple example. Ethene, CH2 double bond CH2 plus HCl. Now I will add hydrogen to this carbon, chlorine to this carbon, so that it becomes CH3 CH2Cl. Now we will have one doubt, whether we should add hydrogen to the first carbon or second carbon, chlorine to first carbon or second carbon. So in case of symmetrical alkenes, you can add these hydrogen to any of the double bonded carbon. But whereas for unsymmetrical alkenes such as propene, this reaction, particular reaction, follows Markovnikov's rule. According to Markovnikov's rule, the negative part of the reagent goes to the double bonded carbon having least number of hydrogens. So we have two products here. One is 2-iodopropene, the other is 1-iodopropene. 2-iodopropene is major, 1-iodopropene is minor, because this is thermodynamically stable than 1-iodopropene. So this is the preparation method from alkenes. Then finally, very important reactions for every year. In every year for the annual examinations, these two particular reactions, any one reaction will be asked for 1 mark. Both are very important here. So halogen exchange reaction, in the name itself we will exchange the halogens. So one is Finkelstein reaction, one more is Schwarz reaction. So what is Finkelstein reaction? So in these two reactions, we'll make use of alkyl halide and we'll prepare again alkyl halide. But the preparation of alkyl halides will be particular type of alkyl halides here. Now we have in the Finkelstein reaction, we are going to prepare alkyl iodides. So that the alkyl halide selected will be to prepare is the halogen should be chlorine or bromine. It should be alkyl chloride or it should be alkyl bromide. It is treated with sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone so that the halogen exchange takes place. So iodine comes here, halogen X goes to here, so that Ri plus NaX. So it can be understood by taking simple example. I will take C2H5Cl, ethyl chloride, plus NaI in the presence of dry acetone. So what we have to do is you just exchange the halogens. So in place of chlorine we write iodine, in place of iodine we have to write chlorine. So these are the products, C2H5I plus NaCl, ethyl iodide. So this reaction is called Finkelstein reaction. And the other halogen exchange reaction is a Schwarz reaction. In Schwarz reaction, alkyl fluorides are going to be prepared. So how means by treating an alkyl halide with any fluorinating agent, silver fluoride or cobaltic fluoride, Suppose if I take silver fluoride, we'll replace X with fluorine, fluorine with X. So Rx plus AgF gives rise to Rf plus AgX, alkyl fluoride. So example, in place of RC2H5, in place of XCl, ethyl chloride plus AgF gives rise to, just replacing these two. In place of chlorine F, in place of fluorine Cl, C2H5 ethyl fluoride. So these are the preparation methods of alkyl halides. So let us glance these preparation methods. One is from alcohols, that is by Groves process, by using PX3 and PX5, and by using thionyl chloride, which is called Dargen's process. And from alkenes, with using symmetrical alkene, unsymmetrical alkene, and halogen exchange reactions, Finkelstein reaction, Schwarz reaction. These are the preparation methods of alkyl halides. So in the next class, we'll discuss some other concepts. Thank you.